one. Look at this shadow.
Wow.
And look at in the back. We have. Look at this.
What we're gonna do today, Mikey? Slime experiment.
Slime experiment.
Wow.
Wow.
Look how many slimes we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's 8 of them, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's open the box first.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm gonna see what's inside.
What is the egg? This is
Ooh.
magic.
There's a lot of slimes.
There's a lot of slime.
And this is magnet, right?
Magnet.
Yes. And then, oh, this is a light.
Light. Why? Why a light?
Okay, let's glow in the dark. Which one is a glow in the dark?
Wow.
This one is a glow in the dark.
Cool.
See?
The dark?
It says glow
Wow.
in the dark.
Wow.
Let's take all the slimes out. Let's take all them out.
There's more slimes.
There's more slimes. Let's
There's
see
some
the one
magic.
that's glowing in the
There's
dark.
some magic.
Magic slime, yes. Let's open it. This is the slime that's gonna glow in the dark.
Oh.
Let's open.
Wow, look at this.
Wow, look.
Oh.
It's like a white, look. Look at this, Michael.
I want to see.
See, it's glowing. Turn. Okay. See, it's turning, it's glowing. I can see it.
Magic.
Yes. Wow. Let's turn the lights off. And we're gonna show how it glows in the dark.
There's the light.
Okay, let's see.
There's the monster.
Put the lights.
Look at the lights. Wow.
And it's like glowing in the dark. Look at
Whoa.
this. Look, Michael.
Huh?
Look.
Wow.
Wow. He's glowing. I see. I know what? It's the magic.
The light is glowing. Turn the lights. Good job with this one too. Okay, so this one. Wow, this is so cool. What is the next one?
This. I want this. The magic.
Yes, let's do the magnet one.
Magnet.
This is the magnetic one. What color is this, Michael?
Great.
Okay, then it's a gray color. Okay, we're gonna put it like this
And what are we gonna do?
on the floor. Let's see, it's supposed to be magnetic. Hmm?
Oh. Don't touch me. Why you not supposed to do? Oh, we have to this. Me too. This. Magic. What magic? Hey.
Okay, 1 second. Let me
See.
do it. I'll show it to you. See? It's magnetic. Look at this.
Wow. Magnet.
You want to try to do magnetic?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Whoa, whoa. There's magic.
I'll show it to everyone that it's magnetic. Let's open the color changing one. Is this one changing the color?
Nani?
We have to smash it and it's gonna change the color. I'll show it.
Like this?
Kinda, but no, not like that. See how it twists? So we twisted it. What color is it now, Michael?
I don't know.
It's green, Michael. Now it's gonna turn. It's supposed to turn like white or something. Yeah, look, 1 second. Look, it's changing color. Let's see how. I wanna see how it's changing the color.
What?
Yes.
It's changing. It's changing.
Changing? change the color to like white or something. It's already, well, not yet, but it's gonna turn white. See, there's a little difference. This is darker and this is lighter.
I want this.
This is a bouncy slime.
Bouncy slime.
See?
There is bouncy. Where? I see the bouncy.
Oh, no. Be careful. Oh, yes, that's a bouncy. Let's try the bouncy one.
This is cool.
Look at the color. What color is that?
It's orange.
That's orange.
We're gonna
Okay.
like this.
Yes, we have to make a bowl.
I'm
We have to make a
smart
bowl.
and like this. Cool. This is a very fine. Look at this.
Nice.
Bouncy ball. Look at this bouncy ball. And then we're doing like this.
No, that's not the bouncy one, Michael. That's the color change one. That's a different slime. Let's try.
This
Let's try the bouncy one.
bouncy one. I know what. I don't try.
It's jumping. Ooh, jumping. Yay! That's a bouncy one.
Look there.
Look, it's changing the color a little bit. Look, see how different is the color? Michael, look.
Yeah.
It's different,
Look at
right?
this.
Turn to like white.
Wow. Look at this different.
Now the bouncy one. Yeah.
Wow, bouncy one. I love that bouncy one.
A fluffy slime. This
Wow.
is a fluffy slime. Yeah.
Wow. I love
Look at the color.
the blue.
No, that's green. What is
Green.
blue? Yes. Wow.
Wow. It's going down.
It's nice, right? Look at
Nice.
this. Very soft.
Oh, why? Why are you like this? Look at this. Opa. Look at this. I love this.
That's nice one, right?
Wow. And what are we gonna put?
You wanna put back?
Yeah.
You can put it back, okay. See, this one is a snotty slime.
Snotty?
Mikey, this, what color is this?
Blue.
That's blue. That's
Ew.
Ooh, no, that's okay. That's not you.
This is
Turn the one.
the same. This is the same.
No, that's not the same. Look at the texture. This is the fluffy, and this is different. See?
Yum, yum, yum. No, I'm gonna put it back. Hello.
Okay,
That
let's
was
open. That one is a liquid slime.
liquid.
What color is that?
Ew.
Michael, what color?
Purple.
Yeah, that's like a purple. It's like a pinkish purple.
No, pink with purple.
Well, it's not really pink. It's purple.
I open it. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this. Sticky. Mama. Sticky.
Mm.
Ew. But no, this is not the ew. This is sticky. Look at this. Sticky. Ew. Ah! Ew. Ew. Oh.
Okay.